Number 42.
Taking two-way.
Number.
42 Little Rock, show me 1037.
That is 1053 for Adam 42.
42 Little Rock, get us a 1016. They just caused the head-on Chester.
Adam 44, Little Rock, up to 19.
Get your hands up now! Let me see your hands! Get them up! Turn the car off! Roll down your driver window! Roll it down! Roll down the driver window! Get your hands up! Get out of the car!
What?
Get out!
What?
Get out of the car! Put your hands behind your back. Little Rock, 1015, one adult female. Adam 9, go ahead with your traffic. 42. 10-4, we are on Chester. Be quiet.
Why am I being...
You're under arrest for DWI. Now be quiet.
Why am I being treated this way?
Little Rock, you clear that.
Why am I being treated this way? Now, why am I being treated this way? Why am I being treated
Shut
this
up.
way? Why am I being treated this way? Why am I being treated this way right now? Why am I being treated this way?
You're under arrest.
Why am I being treated this way?
Walk this way.
No, sir. I'm not being treated this way. Why am I being treated this way?
You are under arrest.
For what?
I already told you.
For what?
DWI.
No.
That means
sir.
driving while intoxicated.
No, sir. I am not being treated this way.
Officer Yahoo, man, you good to go?
Yes, sir. We're good.
How'd you make sure?
Can you just check on their injuries if you don't mind?
Anybody else in there?
Yeah, that vehicle. If you could check on injuries.
No, I'm not being treated this way.
Let's go. Walk.
No. You're...
Get in the back of the car. Sit down. Get your feet in. Yes, sir.
Intoxicated?
Oh, yeah, she's solicited.
No.
Lean back.
Your car good? You good?
I'm not...
I'm good.
I want to be treated fairly.
No, I didn't. Give me back.
No, sir. I just want to be.
I don't care what you want. You're under arrest.
You good, man?
Yes, sir.
I know him, man. I used to work with him when I was with State Police. You be good, man.
All right, sir. Thank you.
All right, man. Be safe.
I'd like to.
Not busted. Hey, let's back your car. Look at it. Okay. How are they on injuries?
I mean, minimal.
Okay.
See your tire. It looks weird to me.
Are y'all okay? Are you okay?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you mean to do that?
Well, she hit
She did a head-on right there.
that guy head on and then fled. So we had CVR.
Oh.
Back up. Let me look at it. Come on back. Keep coming. Keep coming. All right, stop. No, she's here. She fled. Hit this guy head on, and he had to.
You guys want to look at her?
Oh, okay. Okay.
We're gonna get her to. We're gonna take her by police car to the hospital. Feel free to ask us questions, but she's so intoxicated. She may just be pissed at you too.
She'll be on the other side.
You turn your wheel all the way that way.
All right.
You're going on to it.
It's messing up.
All right, go back the other way and I'm looking at the left. I think it's gonna be all right.
I think so. It stood sometimes.
Can you cut that plastic out?
So you're used to this part? Yeah. Oh, I mean, it is.
22's got minimal damage from a TV.